Hello students, myself Vijay Badalia, study point Inter College, Kerala, Chicago. Today I am going to explain you question number 2 of exercise 7.2 of class 10. What is the question? Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points 4, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, minus 2, minus 3. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment. Suppose this is the line segment 4, minus 1 by joining these 2 points. This is the line segment PQ. We have to divide this line segment into 3 equal parts. Okay? Q, PQ, R, S. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining the for the line joining the points 4, minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3. Trisection. Okay. When this ratio total will be 1, 1 and 1. Okay. Parts will be 3 parts are here, so ratio will be 1, 1, ratio, 1, ratio, 1, ratio, 1. Okay, when we are taking this point, this is the midpoint for this PS. Okay, this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint for R, is the midpoint for PS. But first we will find R. This part is 1 and this whole is 2. Okay, this whole is 2. And this is 1. So here ratio is 1 ratio 2. Okay. So M ratio N equal to 4 point R ratio equal to 1 ratio 2. Okay, this is M, this is N. 4 point R, this is 1 and this will be ratio 2. 1 ratio 2. Coordinates of R equal to M x2 plus N x1 upon M plus N. M by2 plus M y1 upon M plus N. Your N is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is M equal to M ratio N. Okay, this is M and this is N. So 1 into x1, this is x1, this is y1. Okay, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So 1 into x2 is minus 2 plus 2 into x1 is 4. x1 is 4. 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2. M is 1, y2 is minus 3. Your y2 is minus 3. Plus N is 2. 2 into y1 is minus 1 upon 1 plus 2. Minus 2. 2 into minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2 plus 8 upon 3 minus 3 minus 2 upon 3. So minus 2 plus 8, 6 upon 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 upon 3. 3 2s are. So coordinates of R equal to 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. These are the coordinates for point R. Now after this I will find for the S. How will find? First you note down this, then I will erase it. Note down this or take a screenshot of this. Okay, now we will find point S. For point S, for point S, this total is 1 1 1. S for S point there is 1 plus 1 2. 2 ratio 1. Okay, 2 2 1. This is n and this is your n. Okay, and this is x1 y1, x1 y1. This is x2 y2, x2 y2. For point S, coordinates of point S, coordinates of point S, coordinates of point S equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Your m is 2, n is 1. Your m is 2, your m is 2, x2 is minus 2, x2 is minus 2 plus n is 1, x1 is 4, m is 2, n is 1, 2 plus 1, m is 2, y2 is minus 3 plus n is 1 into y1 is minus 1 upon m plus n is 2 plus 1. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 4, 1 into 4 upon 3. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 upon 3. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel out 0, 0 upon 3, comma minus 7 upon 3. So coordinates of point S equal to 0 upon 3 0, 0 upon 3 will be 0 and minus 7 upon 3, minus 7 upon 3. This is the point. This is the point for S. Okay. Now next question I will explain in the next video, and you will try similar question for this. Now thank you and have a good day.